to sweat.
Nagmain, hindi na masampot na sa disco.
Jump out between number 69 and number 99. 69 din pala. Number 15, pass to number 69. Hey. Nahuligan ni Chog Moral. Number 69. Drives. Service out sa rep. Offensive foul. Ang aga. Ang aga pare. Number 69, pass to number 4. Fiery, pass to number 15. Pass to number 7. Drives. No good. Rebound number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4, pull up J. No good. Pass through. No good pa rin. Number 11. Team drop shot. No good. Put back. No good para may foul. Foul number 22. First personal foul, first team foul. First shot. Pasok. Second shot. Pasok pa din. Number 69 fires for 3. Bang! 3 points! Grabe, kondisyon. Number 11. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 69. Lucky number. Back to number 30. Pass to number 16. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 16. No good. Rebound number 4. Pass to number 69. Nagpapadali. Number 69, 3-on-3 play. Number 69. Wala bola ng huli number 4. Pass number 69, pass to number 7. Number 7. Pero may foul, foul number 20. 30. First personal foul, first team foul. Push up, give it to number 7.
Kuha ko na nga yung...
Second try. No good. Rebound number 4. Pass number 69. Fire for 3. No good. Rebound number 69. Pass number 11. Pass number 16. Break. Balikan number 11 pero may foul. Foul number 69. First personal foul, second team foul. Ito ni number 11. Pass to number 30. 10 seconds to shoot, fired for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 25. Pass to number 30. Siya naman. No good. Uy. Number 69, pass to number. No good. Rebound number 11. Number 11. Wow! Good for 2. Bagong download. Number 20, pass to number 4. Pull up James. Good for 2. Number 11, pass to number 69. Pakalaki niya, par. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 30. Fires for 3. Bang! 3 points!
Score natin 8-5. 3-point lead by
Number 4.
Orange.
Pass to number 15, huli. Nakuha ni number 30. Pass na number 69. Nagmamadali. Number 69, wala ang bola. Red ball. Number 69, stop and pop for 3. Bang!
Deadlock.
3 points.
Deadlock at 8 points.
Yo. Lakas niya, Rex.
7-8 pala.
Number 30. Babawi. No good. Rebound ni number 22. Number 22. Nakuha ni number 4. Nakuha pa rin ako ni number 11. No good. No, pero may foul. Foul number 4. First personal foul. Third team foul. First try. Pasok yan. May highlights ka na. Sab na kaya. Second try. No good. Dribbling number. Pass number 69. Attack the plane. No good. Dribbling number 30. No good. Nakuha number 69. Pass number 11. Pass to number 16. 5 seconds to shoot. Nawala pa rin ako ni number 69. Nagmamadali. Number 69. Pero may foul number 11. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Vicio. First try. Second try ni number 69. Number 11, Pink. Anong tawag dyan, Rek? Double triple violation. Good boy. Mandatory substitution po. Palit muna ng hero. Palit ng hero.
12-8. 4-point lead by Ugong. Ugong yun.
Patrick, long two. No good. Rebounding number 88. Out of bounds, same ball. Number 88, pass to number 17. Naipit ng dalawa. Naghahanap ng babasahan na kuha ni number 0. Number 0, pass to number 88. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound number 28, pass to number 99. Wala pala, pero same ball. Number 5, pass to number 8. Number 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Put back. Good. Ball 2.
Mr. Grand.
What a pace.
Mr. Grand.
What a pace. Number 8. 88 pass to number 20. Palupe number 0. Good. Ball 2. Number 8 pass to number 5. Break. Nakuha ni number 20. Number 20. 2. Nawala pa lang ako, pass to number 0. Pero may foul number 7, 8.
Nagreklamo yung
Fucking foul. First personal foul, third team foul. Second try, no good. Rebound number 19. Back to number 0. Pero may foul number 5. Timeout. Bacood. Back to the ball game. First try is good. Second try, no good, pero nakuha pa rin niya. Out that pass kay number 99. Number 99, no good. Number 88. Pass to number 0. Pero may foul. Foul number 5. Second personal foul, penalty. No. Number 8, pass to number 99, pass to number 24. Hinaharap sa tatlo, back to number 99. Nawala pa lang ako number 8, fake, teardrop shot, good for 2. Number 0. Pero may foul number 5. Third personal foul, penalty. First try is no good. Second try is good. Number 99. Back to number 8. Pass to number 99. Fires for 3. No good. Rebounding number 20. Bounce ball para kay number 88. Good for 2. Nakuha ni number 88. 2-on-1 play. Number 20, no good. Rebounding number 9. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 88. Hangin buzzer. Pero wala pala. Backcourt ball. Same ball. same ball pa rin, hindi pa. Number 88, long 3. No good rebound ni number 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation.
Score 20-12. 8-point lead by Ugong
Number
Pasaway.
8, pass to number 99. Back to number 8. Back to number 9, 10 seconds to shoot. Pero may foul number.
Ulit-ulit ako eh.
First try para kay number 99, no good.
Nakita ko naman sa jersey.
Kaya nga. Hindi ko titingnan kasi... Ay.
Second try. Paso.
Okay.
Warning for delaying the game. Si number 28. Number 88, pass to number. Pero may foul number 5. Number 5, warning for Broadway. First quarter, tinamalo mo na yung 4 na foul.
Mayagin pa siguro.
Ha?
Mayagin pa. Mayagin pa siguro.
May gagawin ka ba sa school pa? Rebound ni number 8. Pass to number 99. Pass to number 28. Good for 2. Number 88. No good. Rebound ni number 24. Pass kay number 99. Number 99. No good. Put back ni number 5. Good. 4-2. To shoot. Number 17, no good. Rebound ni number 8. Seconds to play. 10 seconds to shoot. Pull up Jays, no good. Rebound ni number 28, good. Ball 2. 5 seconds. End of the first quarter.
Habol sila. 21-19, 2-point lead lang ang Ugong Pasaway. Si The Asus pala yun, si Idol pala yun. Idol! Idol! Okay naman. Yes! Idol, Idol. Invite mo sila bukas.
Ford. Kaya na baka mo, Ford.
Si Pacquiao, pakipalitan par. Palit ka muna par. Palitan ka muna par. Par for 3, short. Nakuha ni number 30. Pass to number 26. Peña. Pass to number 11. High pass kay number 69. Good for 2. Deadlock 21.
Deadlock tayo, 21 all.
Number 69. Naku. Line violation. Same ball. Number 11. Pass to number. No good. Rebound number 26. Number 26. Pero may...
Foul.
First try is no good. Second try, pasok. Number 22, pass to number 69, play. Nawala pala nakuha ni number 12. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 69.
Lamang ng isang bakod.
Number 11. Pass number 26. Nakuha na ang bola. Nakuha ni number 11. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Good ball 2.
Lamang naman ng isang ugong pasaway. 23-22 palitan sila. Parang walang talo.
No good. Rebound ni number 69. What a shot. Good ball 2.
Nice one.
Number 69, pass to number 22, back to number 69, long 3, no good, rebound ni number 69, dami 69, number 69, wow, good, ball 2,
Nice.
number 69, pass to number 22, nawala ang bola, pass to number 69, nawala ang bola pa rin. Out of bounds, backward ball.
Galing ni Roman, no?
Nakuha ni number 22, pass to number 69. Number 69, pero may foul, number 11. Number 11, second personal foul, first team foul. First try, pasok. Second try, no good. Pero may foul number 20. Out of bounds, save ball. Number 11 setting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 26, Peña, pass to number 69. Roman, 4-3. No good. Rebound ni number 20, pass to number 26. Nawala po lang nakuha ni number 69. Outlet pass para kay number 26. Napabilis. Out of bounds, backward ball.
Ang lakas.
Para si Sonic, hustle play para kay number 22. Dalawang 2. Number 69, pass to number 11. number 26 na wala ang bola. Ugong ball.
Ang lalaki ng Bacood.
Number 69. Nakuha ni number 69. Number 69 na wala ang bola, nakuha ni number 22. Pass to number 69. One-on-one play. Number 69. Yeah! Out of bounds. Same ball. Iman ni number 16 nakuha ni number 25. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 69. Number 69. Goal! 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 Biglang umito sa gitna. Yan good. Rebound ni number. Outside to pass na kay number 69.
Yun lamang ng
Buka kayo na. Pare.
28-24. Lamang ng 4 points ang Bacood. Ang lalaki ng Bacood.
Number 11 fires for 3. No goal. Rebound ni number 28. Pass to number 69. Pass to number 7. Wala pala nakuha ni number 11. Out of bounds. Same ball. Number 69. Pass to number 20. The pull up. James. No goal. Rebound ni number. Huli ka kay number 26. 2-on-1 play. Number 26. Offensive foul. Offensive foul para kay number 26.
Idol, invite mo sila bukas.
Number 69. Pass to number 7. 15 to shoot. Number 7. Wala pala. Bacood ball. Mandatory substitution po.
4-point lead by Bacood. 28-24.
Saka na din. I'm against fight to anybody killer. Number 99, pass to number 8. Back to number 99. Pass to number 24. Number 24 na nangangalabaw. Number 24. No good rebound ni number 17. Number 18, pass to number 20. Pull up James. Goal. Injury timeout. Number 99. Number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Good. Ayusin mo nga yan. Nakakailang ko nanonood. Number 20. Pass to number 88. Kyrie. Traveling violation.
Score 26-30. 4-point lead by Bacood.
Muntik na. Number 8. Number 8. Goal for 2. Number 88. Oh, sige. No good. Rebound ni number 4. No good. Nakuha ni number 20. Good for 2.
28-32.
Number 24, pull up J. No good. Rebound. Put back. Good. 4-2 para kay number 5. Grabe. Success sa training.
34-28. 6 points.
Rebound ni number 99. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pero may foul number 88. Pushing foul. Low. Second personal foul. Third team foul. First try. Paso.
Sino ba gusto mong nagsabi na kalaban?
Wala nga pare. Sa semis pa yun. Number 88, pass to number 20, back to number 88, pass to number 0. Jump ball. Same ball. Nalipat na po ang possession araw.
Yes.
Inbound ni number 17, pass to number 5. Number 5. No good. Rebound ni number 20. Number 20, Pacquiao, pass number 0 para may foul. Number 5. Graduate.
Second quarter lang.
Amba.
Okay na yan. Pwede na. Nakalaro ka hanggang second quarter. Mainam na din. Number 8, pass to number 99, back to number 8. Back to number 99. Fires for 3. No good. Ugong ball. Number 20. Out of bounds, same ball.
30-37, 7-point lead by Bacood.
Number 20, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 88. Huli. Nakuha ni number 99. Good for 2. Number 99. Nakuha ni number 26 pass to number 99. Good for 2. Back to back para kay number 99. Sige. Huli. Time out. Ibo Pasaway.
41-30, double digit ang lamang, 11 points.
Back to the ball game. Inbound number 17, pass to number 88. Bang!
lead is down to 8, 41-33.
Number 99 pass to number 8. Number 24, no good. Rebound number 8. No lampara, same ball. Number 17, no good. Rebound number 0. Nakuha ni number 8. Pero may foul number. Ha? Ano daw?
Same ball, same ball. Same ball, same ball.
Same ball. Number 20, no good. Nakuha ni number 16. Pero may foul number 17. First personal foul, warning for penalty. First personal foul. Number 99 pass to number 8. Back to number 99. Wow. Basket count, may isang pang foul. Foul number 17. Number 17. Second personal foul. Penalty. Yes, Papi. Bonus shot is good. 15 seconds to play. My foul number 99. Number 99. Number 99. First personal foul. Third team foul. Number 20. Nakuha ni number. Oh. Tapak line.
Napunat. Napunat yung kulay.
Oo pa. Number 20, pass to number 88, no good. Rebound ni number 4, huli lang ang number 24, pass to number 99, good for 2.
(46-33). 13-point lead by Bacood.
Number 88. Whoa. All. Number 99. End of the first quarter. Pag nakita yung sarap. Renz Roman. Boto para konsyehal ng Tanod.
The first half. Ah, I know. Oo nga.
Sebastian. Gina. Bacood ball.
Aray ano.
Sa tabi. Yeah. Mamaya yung tutok na yan pa. Nandito na yung ano. Sa Salita eh. Record. Number 25, no good. Rebound ni number 25 pa rin. Wala pa lang ako ni number 0. Pass to number 88. Number 88, no good. Rebound ni number 88 pa rin. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 20. No good. Rebound ni number 30. Pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 24. Fadeaway shot is no good. Nakuha ni number 24. Pero may foul number 0. Number 0. Ha? Ano? First personal foul, first team foul. Number 30. Pull up Jays, no good. Rebound ni number 15. Number 15, pass to number 88, no good. Rebound ni number 24. Pass to number 11, solo, breakaway, good. 4-2. Break in, may karga. Number 69, pass to number 88, pass to number 20, fires for 3, no good. Rebound ni number 69. Hilig sa 69. Number 11, pass to number 25, pass to number 24. No good. Rebound ni number 88. Number 88, field drop shot is good. 4-2.
Pacquiao.
Number 88, 3-on-2 play. Gandang pasahan, good. 4-4. Nakuha ni number 20. Pass to number 69. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 30. Nakuha ni number 69. Good. 4-4. Number 30. Back to number 25. Hinaharap sa dalawa. Pero may 8 seconds violation.
Score natin 48-39. 9-point lead by Bacood.
Number 88, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 20, back to number 88. 3 points.
It is down to 6.
Anim na ang kalabangan ng Bacood.
42. 48-42.
Delta Baluarte. Number 69, Divisarte. Nawala mo na ako ni number 88. Number 88, pass number 69, pero may foul number 69. Time out. Delta Baluarte. Bacood.
Dags Idol, invite mo sila.
Aray mo, Dags!
Jumong Sibal. Dakilang kalabaw ng taong. Mo kumaya.
Nice.
Good for 1.
The lead is down to 4. Only 4 points.
Nangingina tayo mo, may bahay. Wala tayo makakumpar. Sila nakashoot eh.
From a 2-digit lead down to 4 points. ang hinahabol.
Sabi nila eh.
Number 69, pass to number 11. Pass to number 30, back to number 11. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number. Ano, pwede na mag-time out. Time out! Ubon, pasaway. Score 48-44 in favor of Bacolod. Mga papi, bakit na tayo mag-game dito sa harap pa? Per 4 na lang daw yung timeout nyo. Natago na eh. Number 88 pass to number 20, back to number 88. Value pass kay number 0 na wala ang bola, nakuha ni number 20. Number 20, no good. Put back ni number 0. Good ball through.
48-46. Grabe. 2 points na lang ang inaabol ng Ugong Pasaway.
On! Loose ball foul. Para kay number 69. 8 pala, 8. Hindi pala kay 69.
Kuya ko yan!
Nakuha ni number 69. Galit na. Chog Roman. Good for goal.
50-46. 4-point lead.
Chog Roman. Ito mas bagay. Eric Romel. Number 88. Nawalang pala nakuha ni number. Out of bounds. Bacolod ball. Number 69, pass to number 8. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 24. Number 24, pero may foul number 0. Number 0. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 20, Pacquiao. No good, put back to number 15. Good ball through. Tama. Number 8, pinakasin dalawa na pass to number 24. Pass to number 11. RJ spin. No good, rebound ni number 88. Grabe, magandang laban. Dalawa na po ang halamangan ng Bacolod. Number 0, pass to number 88, pass to number 69. Back to number 88, back to number 20, fires for 3. No good, rebound ni number 0. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number 0 pa doon, pass to number 69. Stop and back for 3. No good, rebound ni number 69. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 8, pass to number 24. Spin. Goal. Magandang laban. Dikit. Parang kaning lamig. Number 69. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 0. No good. Rebound ni number 26. Ay! Oh! Wow! Pero Substitution. X-Men. Personal foul, third foul. First try is no good. Oy. Second try, no good. Rebounding number. Oy! Bumaba! Backward violation.
Doon siya natitira eh. Backstreet na kami.
Lubak boom. Number 69, Page, fires for 3, no good. Oh, what a save by number 99. Pass to number 24, nawala ang bola ng running number. Out of bounds, save ball.
52-48. 4 points ang inahabol ng
Number 69,
Ugong Pasaway.
fires for 3, no good. Rebounding number 69. Pass to number 88. Number 88. Pass to number. Back to number 88. No good. Rebounding number 69. Number 8, pass to number 99. Fake. 10 seconds to shoot. Nawala bala ng number 69. Number 69, pass to number 20. Hooray! Substitution, Mr. Red. Substitution. Nakuha ni number 69. 2 minutes and 40 seconds to play in the third quarter. Number 69. Pero may foul number. Number 4. Substitution. Tilapia ka na po. Ayan, tuloy. Nawala ka ng sarili. Sariles. No good. Second try is no good. Rebounding number. Bagong dating yun na si pare ah. Number 88. Drive. Hooray! Substitution. Pagka-block sa paypahin niya. Low down. Inbound ni number 88. Pass to number. Back to number 88. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 4. Pass to number. Nawala bola na kuha ni number 26. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 99. Pass to number 26 na ibet. Nakuha ni number. No good. Rebound ni number 30. Basket pa. May kasama pa foul. Foul number 4. Number 4. Third personal foul penalty. Substitution, Mr. Busog na kasi man. Bonus shot para kay number 30. Pasok.
$55-48.
Number 69. Good.
55-50.
1 minute 10. 1 minute 10. 40 seconds to play. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 30. Good. Goal 2. Number 69. 7. No good. Rebound ni number 30. Pero may foul. Foul number 6. First personal foul penalty.
Dogs.
Right. No good. Second try. Pasok.
58-50. 8-point lead.
Number 20 pass to number 69. Out of bounds backward ball. Number 30, hinaharap sa tatlo. Pass to number 26, Peña. Peña! Nawala pala nakuha ni number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Hollow of blue. Out of bounds, backward ball. Number 30, hinaharap. Number 30, pass to number 26, Peña. Pass to number 99, pass to number. Di ba lang number mo pa? Out of bounds, ugong ball. Low. 33 seconds to play. 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 7. Pass to number 69. 10 to shoot. Number 8. They fire for 3 points. 3 points. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Offensive foul. Number 99. 3 seconds to play. Second personal foul. First team foul. Number 88. 5 for long 3.
End of the third quarter, 58-53, 5-point lead by Bacood. Parehong magaling. Ugong pasaway sa Bacood. Wala silang talo on their respective first games.
Happy viewing kay Chick Moral. Sabi ni Ricardo. Best point guard in Asia. Hey! Isay lang ba? Back to the ball game. Nakuha ni number 24. Pass to number 99. Pass to number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24 na wala bala nakuha ni number 0. Pass to number 69. Number 69. Good! Point 2. Out of bounds. Ugong ball. Pangalabangan ng Bacood. Balwata ang attack.
58-55. 3-point lead by Bacood. 3 puntos na ang inaabot ng Ugong.
Number 59, Faith. Young 2.
The lead is down to 1. 58-57.
Number 21, pass to number 24.
58-57. Grabe.
Same ball.
1-point lead.
Number 30, good. Gandang knockout play para kay number 40.
60-57.
Fourth quarter na. Bigbigan ang laban. Number 6. Para may foul number. Foul number 26. Second personal foul, first team foul. Inbound ni number 20. Pass to number 69 para may foul number 99. Number 99. Third personal foul. Second team foul. First try. Pasok. Pag na-shoot mo yan, isa na lang pa.
Outing na naman.
Second try. Pasok pa din. Isa na lang ang inahabol ng Ugong pasaway.
59-60.
Tao-tao motion na to. Number 11. Pass to number 30, pass to number 11, pass to number 24. Good pressure.
The lead is back to 3.
May dadaan ng jet ski.
59-62.
Dadaan yung jet ski. Panira ka ng moment, Kevin. Five for long three. Bang! 3 points. That's 62 na po ang talaga sa Super Book. 99 pass to number. Foul number 0.
We're on deadlock.
Foul.
Deadlock tayo.
Foul.
62, all 62.
Deadlock 62 ang talaan sa Super Book. Medyo nakakapapumindot yan pa. Second try ni number 24. Oh! Shit! Laglang na ito. Number 88 pass to number 69. Pass. Halip lang pala. Nawala pala nakuha ni number 30 pass to number 11. Follow. Number 11. Dinahan sa dalawa. Sumisilang na para may foul number. Nagkakagulo sila rin. Sino kaya yung foul? 20. Wala pa lang nakuha ni number 20. Pacquiao. Pacquiao versus Tyson. Number 69. Number 69 is in the play. 4-3. No, 3-1 ni number. Out of bounds, Bacood ball. Maganda lang po. Baka 100% ibigay mo. Number 26, Peña. Pass to number 20. Number 26. 6 pala, 6. Pass to number 69. Number 69. Pass to number 0.
Deadlock at 62 pa rin.
Number 69, pass to number 11, pinaharap si number 88, behind the scene, fake, hindi makita ang si number, out of bounds, save ball. Time out, foul. Back to the ball game. J.R. Vidal Jr. Malingan ka pa ngayon.
Gusto mo ba na ako?
Deadlock at 62 pa rin. Grabe, natulog yung score. At deadlock.
Iba na number 11. Pass to number 69. No good. Rebound to number 88. Number 88 na nakatali. Pangamang number. Number 88. Natrapit pero may foul pa number 30. Number 30. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Imbang na number 0, pass to number 20, Pacquiao. Pass to number 6, pull up J. Nakuha ni number 88, 5-4-3. No good, rebound ni number. Nakuha ni number 69. Jump ball. Bola na. Same ball. Huh? Kanino bola? Bacood. Dito, Bacood. Nagkakamali lang si Sherman. Bacood, Paul. Bacood, Paul. Number 26, pass to number 11 na walang bola. Anong tawag doon? Red line violation.
Nice.
Save ball pa rin. Number 26, pass to number 30. Pero may foul. Foul number 0, number 0. Warning for Bradley. Number 0, warning for Bradley. Substitution, correct? Substitution. Sino dito naglalaro na Waldo? Pass to number 69. Pass to number 11 na RJ na wala pa lang yung number 20. Number 20. Break. Bandap. Break. Wala pa lang ang ni number 69. Edwin. Pass to number 20. Goal.
galing ng Barker.
Change favor lang po ang ugong.
Full charge.
Number 69, Eric Roman.
Full charge si J-Port din po.
Number 25, go free. Go go. Out of bounds, ugong ball.
Yeah. Best Barker natin, J-Port din po.
Timeout. Bako on. Under 67 po ang timeout na magkabilang team. Under 2 minutes.
Dalidis back to Ugong for 2 points. Lumamang ang Ugong dito sa fourth quarter. 5 and 53 in the fourth and final quarter.
Shoutout kay Edwin, nag-aayos ang turbo. Magkakamata ka pa sa Shopee pa. Number 69. Sa neto ah. Pass to number 7. Hindi, ganun talaga pa. Mahina, oo. Number 69. Never, dribble ni number 29 sa atin pa sa number 11.
Deadlock again at 64.
64. Malapit na yung 69. 10 seconds to shoot, number 88. Pull up J, go!
Dalidis back to Ugong. 66-64. 2-point lead by Ugong.
Pass to number 34. No good. Out of bounds, urban ball. Balik na naman sa ilo.
66-64. 4 and 55 in the final quarter. Matagal pa.
Number 69 sa ating ka-play. Number 69. Humihingi ng screen. Binigay ka number 25 for 3.
69-64. 5-point lead by Ugong.
Number 69. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Number 6. Second personal foul. Warning for a penalty. Warning for a penalty. Ayun na po ang mga number 69. Number 11 points for 3. No good. Dito na naman sa kumay. Wala po ang nawita. Number 6. Nangiisip. Number 69.
Edwin. 71-64. 7-point lead na ang inaabol ng Bacood. 5-point lead. 71-66. Lamang ang Ugong.
Meron na timeout, wala na.
71-68. 3-point lead by Ugong. 3 and 9. 3.09.
Ay kaso mahina boses ko. Edwin, 1-2. No good. Remaining number 8, 6. Penalty foul number 88. Penalty. Number 88, third personal foul penalty.
Sabihin mo yung score. Sabihin mo sabay yung score.
Score 68-71 in favor of Ugong Pasaway. First try, good. Baba sa dalawang hinahabol ng backward.
Shoutout kay Dexter, the assist.
Try. Measure. Rebounding number. Number 7 pass to number 88. Number 88. Not good. Number 6 power. Rebounding number 7. Yeah. Out of bounds. Same ball. You say number 6 then. Inbounding number 88. Nawala nakuha ni number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Number
73-69. 4-point lead.
2 minutes and 25 seconds to play. Foul.
4-point lead.
Foul number. Walang foul sa rep. Wala.
Pinagpag lang. Makagawa sa bakal eh.
Eric Roman setting the play. Wala ba lang ako ng number 40. Back now. It's stopping for foul shoot. Let's go. Good countdown. That's what we're talking about.
75-69.
Pero may foul number 18. Number 18. Running goal Broadway.
2 minutes and 2 seconds. 69-75.
Time out. Ugong Pasaway. Oo nga eh. Wala na po ko yung time out. Ugong Pasaway. Gandang laban. Magnolia versus Socontex. The ball game.
Aray ko!
And 2 seconds in the final quarter. Score is 75-69. 6-point lead by Ugong Pasaway.
First strike number 11, no good. Paso.
70-75, 5-point lead.
1 minute and 55 seconds to play. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Edwin. Nawala pa lang ang number 26. Outlet pass pa lang number 69. Eric Roman, foul number. Number 20, third personal foul. is no good. Okay, go. Second prime, no good. Rebound number 6. 1 minute and 30 seconds to play. 15 to shoot. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 69.
Score is 77-70. 7-point lead ang inaabol ng Bacood. 1 minute and 6 seconds na lang sa final quarter. 70-77. Score 77-71. 6-point lead at exactly 1 minute.
Number 6 pass, number 20. Pacquiao, take.